So a question that I've seen a few times already is, when should you go ahead and replace the screen on your iPhone? Now, this is very interesting because, as some of you may know, you probably can last the whole entire longevity of an average iPhone, like let's say 4 or 5 years, without ever having to replace your display. Because, for the most part, a lot of your iPhone displays, they're probably not going to go ahead and get, damaged. If you have a screen protector and you have a case on it, now there might be scratches and stuff. But if you're rocking an iPhone screen and there's not a lot of burn-in, usually from what I've seen for a lot of iPhones I've owned, there's not a lot of burn-in. If you aren't cracking your iPhone every year or two, there's really not a big reason to go through and replace your display of your iPhone. In fact, I would probably say even if you have a single crack on your iPhone display, if you don't want to replace it, you might as well just go and keep it on, with that single crack, put a screen protector over it. But you are going to have to understand that you're going to have to be very careful if your iPhone display is cracked or if it's damaged in any way. Because if it is cracked, that will greatly determine whether you're going to be around water on your iPhone or not. If your iPhone display is cracked, that probably will mean you can no longer put your iPhone in water or put your iPhone near water. If a water droplet gets on your display, there's a big chance it could end up seeping through that display crack and getting into the actual components of the phone. So keep that in mind. If that is very important to you, then I'd probably recommend going through and replacing your display. But the other big thing here too is, if you're planning on keeping your iPhone for many years, and let's say on year 1 or year 2, you end up cracking your iPhone display, then I would probably recommend replacing it. If you're planning on reselling your iPhone though, and you plan on, you're wanting to go ahead and basically recoup the money that you spent on it and it is cracked or it's damaged, then you may want to see how much it would cost for a replacement of that crack. See how much a cracked iPhone in your condition is going for. Let's say it's going for $300. And let's say if you replace the display, it's, $400. But let's say if you go and replace it, it's going to cost you $150 or $130 to replace it. It might just make more sense to just sell it at $300 rather than $400 at that point. So it really just depends on the condition of iPhone that you're comfortable with, and also how much, it's going to cost to basically replace it. Because those are really, really big things to keep in mind in this type of, device. So what I would tell you is, overall, I definitely do look at a device like the iPhone, 13. I look at a device that has a, display, and I probably will tell you, if you're going to go and replace it anytime soon, look at how much it's going to cost to replace, and just kind of see if you want to go and resell it, or, see how much it's going to cost for it to replace it. And then from there, go and basically replace it and see if you want to. So those are just a few of my thoughts. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.